I love Asian food and I love fresh seafood. So this dish is a combination of both. Barbecued prawns with a nam jim dressing and a nice fine salad. First thing we need to do is to make our nam jim dressing. Now this dressing is really simple because it all just goes into the food processor. First we put in is our coriander, which has just been picked. Now in this bowl here, I have some green chilli, some palm sugar. Now that's going to give us some nice sweetness, and a clove of garlic. Our fish sauce, and some veg oil. Now we want our oil to be quite neutral. We don't want it to dominate the flavour of the dressing. And some fresh lime juice. Turn the food processor on. And just process it until it's nice and fine. Right, so that's our dressing, nice and fine. I'm going to try it to make sure it's got enough lime juice and enough fish sauce. That is absolutely beautiful. Just put it into our bowl. Oh, look at that. That looks beautiful. Now to make our fine salad, got a bowl with some beautiful herbs, some mint, and it's just been nicely picked. Some coriander sprigs. And what we've got here is the little fronds of baby fennel. We've also got some baby fennel here that I'm going to clean and shave it really fine. So just get the outer leaf off. So if we actually got a little mandolin. Just mix it into our salad. Now I've got some cucumber. I'm just going to chop that really fine. Cucumber gives it this beautiful freshness also. Got some shallots, or depending on what side of the border, spring onions. And then just on an angle, cut them nice and fine. Last thing we need to do is slice some chilli. So a large red chilli, it's not going to be as hot as the smaller ones. Don't mind if there's a few seeds in it, gives it a little bit more of a bite. All right, done. Ready to mix our salad. Now, our nam jim dressing is done, our beautiful fine salad is made, time to barbecue our prawns. Some oil over the top. Now look at these beauties, large king prawns. They've actually been shelled, heads taken off and deveined. Onto the barbie. Now I don't know about you, but the way I like my prawns is just cooked, a little bit translucent in the middle. Now it's really important when you cook on a barbecue is to make sure the barbecue is really hot. Last thing you want to do is your prawns to start to boil. You actually want them to get this beautiful golden colour within a minute. Now they look absolutely gorgeous. We're just going to pile them up. That residual heat will just cook them all the way through. To me, this is the only way to cook prawns. Our nam jim dressing on the side. Just going to grab some salad and put some on the plate. If you like, you can put the rest of it in a bowl. Wow, and there you have it. Our barbecued prawns, nam jim dressing, and a beautiful fine salad.